Morning students, in the last session we completed with the linear differential equation. So linear differential equation standard form is dy by dx plus p of p into y is equal to q, where p and q are constants or functions of x, and working rule of linear differential equation is first we are comparing the given equation with the standard form. We are writing the values of p and q. After that we are evaluating integrating factor. From that we are using general solution formula. What is the general solution formula of linear differential equation? Y into integrating factor is equal integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Now in this session we are finding the solutions by reducing into the linear differential equations. They are called Bernoulli differential equations. They are called Bernoulli differential equations. So these differential equations we are reducing into the linear form. So here, what is the general form of Bernoulli's differential equation? So the general form of Bernoulli differential equation is dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q into y power. What is the difference between linear and Bernoulli? Linear means this term will not exist in linear equation, but in Bernoulli's this term will be existing. What is this term? This y is the dependent variable in this equation. So right side in linear form means right side only function of independent variable we want. But here additionally there is a value y power n that is dependent variable function. So first we are converting this equation into the linear equation. What are p and q? P and q are functions of x only or maybe constants. So here this equation 1 is not linear. So it can be made as linear by using the following way. What is the following way? We are dividing this total equation with y power n. Then what is this equation? 1 by y power n into dy by dx plus py by y power n is equal to y power n getting cancelled. So what is the value remaining? Q. So if you want to write y power n also. Q into y power n. These two are getting cancelled. So 1 by y power n can be written as y power minus n dy by dx plus p into this y power is 1, denominator y power n goes to numerator, that will be changes as power minus n. Base are equal, power should be added. This one is y power 1 minus n. Y power n. So this one is p into y power 1 minus n is equal to q. So this is equation converted into the form y power minus n dy by dx plus p into y power 1 minus n is equal to q. Right side is only the function of independent variable or maybe constant. After converting into this form, here we are using a substitution. Say this y power 1 minus n is equal 0, that is equal to z. Differentiate this one with respect to x, then this one it is in the form of x power n. X power n derivative is what? N into x to the power of n minus 1. That means 1 minus n minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 getting cancelled. Remaining is power minus n into dy by dx, which is equal. Because of that, this is other variable y. We are making with respect to x means we are evaluating partial derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx, which is equal to right side. Right side variable is what? Z. So derivative of z with respect to x is dz by dx. So 1 minus n into y power minus n into dy by dx is equal to dz by dx. So bring this 1 minus n into the right hand side, then this one is, what is the remaining in left hand side? Y power minus n into dy by dx is equal 1 by 1 minus n into dz by dx. 2 implies. So what is equation 2? This is equation 2. So this is equation 2. This equation reducing into the another form. So I calculated this value. So I taken substitution this one as z. So this variable converts into the z, and this total one value is 1 by 1 minus n into dz by dx plus pz is equal q. So this one we are getting. So this 1 by 1 minus n into dz by dx plus pz is equal to q. So here 1 by 1 minus n is the constant value. So if you want to keep that one as it is, you have to keep it that one. No. Because of that, the coefficient of dz by dx should be 1. Then only it is linear. And that's why multiply throughout the equation with 1 minus n. Then this one is dz by dx plus 1 minus n into pz is equal 1 minus n into q. This is our equation number 3. Now see this, the coefficient of dz by dx is 1, dependent variable is z, independent variable is x. So 1 minus n is constant, p is a function of x or constant, z is the dependent variable. Right side total one is either constant or function of x. So what is the result? This one is a linear. What is the definition of linear equation? A differential equation is said to be linear differential equation if the dependent variable and its derivatives exist in first order and are not multiplied together. So see this, dependent variable existed in first order, the derivative is also existed with first order, so and are not multiplied together in this equation. So this is a linear equation, but here it is linear in Z. So by using linear form we are calculating, by using linear method we are getting general solution to this equation. At the end, after getting general solution, at the end you have to replace z as y power 1 minus n. We will get the solution of the given problem. So like this we are converting the given Bernoulli's equations or reducible equations into the linear form. So next one is, say this, here I am saying a small, I am saying an example related to this form. Say this, dy by dx plus tan x into y is equal minus y square into sec x square. What is the dependent variable here? Dependent variable is y, independent variable is x. So right side I want only in terms of independent variable. Here there is another variable y square, so we have to convert that one into the linear form. So it is Bernoulli's equation. So what we will do? We are dividing this total equation with y square. Say this, it is Bernoulli's differential equation, divide throughout with y square. So then what is this equation? 1 by y square into dy by dx plus tan x into y by y square. Y by y square means 1 by y is equal, here y square getting cancelled, remaining is minus sec square x. Let it be equation number 1. Now here the coefficient of this one, what is the coefficient of this one? 1 by y. Take that one as z. So put 1 by y is equal z. Now differentiate this one with respect to independent variable. What is independent variable? X. So 1 by y derivative. What is the derivative of 1 by y? Minus 1 by y square into, again y derivative is dy by dx is equal to z derivative is dz by dx. So multiply both sides with minus, then I will get 1 by y square into dy by dx is equal minus dz by dx. This one and this one, this one and this one, these two substitute in equation 1, then equation 1 changes as 1 implies what is the value of 1 by y square dy by dx? Minus dz by dx tan x into z. What is the value of z? 1 by y. Sorry, 1 by y value is z is equal minus secant square x. After that, multiply throughout the equation with minus. Because of that, the dz by dx coefficient should be 1. And that's why I multiplied. So then this one, dz by dx, plus changes as minus, minus changes as plus. So dz by dx minus tan x into z is equal to secant square x. Now say this. It is in the standard form of dz by dx plus pz is equal to q, and this equation is linear in z. Linear in z. Compare that equation with dz by dx plus pz is equal to q. P is equal minus tan x. Q is equal secant square x. Integrating factor formula. What is integrating factor formula? E power integral p dx. E power integral minus tan x. Tan x integration is what? Log mod secant x. This minus goes to numerator. Power changes as minus 1. E power log x value is x. This one is secant x power minus 1. Power minus comes to denominator as 1 by secant x. General solution formula. Here z, because of that, it is the dependent variable to this equation. Dependent variable into integrating factor is equal integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. This is general solution of the equation. Z into integrating factor value 1 by secant x is equal q. What is the value of q? Secant square x. Integrating factor 1 by secant x dx plus c. Secant x getting cancelled. Remaining is secant x. What is the integral of secant x? Integral secant x dx is equal secant x into tan x plus cos. This is the formula. So integral secant x integration is secant x tan x plus. So this is the general solution of the linear equation. Linear equation dependent variable is z. So replace z as 1 by y. We will get the general solution of the given equation. This is called general solution of the equation. Right? I got it. So here what I done, I converted the given equation into the linear form. After that I evaluated general solution. So like this we are converting Bernoulli's equations into the standard forms, linear standard form. So like this we will do. We are going through the one more problem here. See this. Solve xy into 1 minus y square into dy by dx is equal to 1. So if I evaluated the value of dy by dx from this, what I will get? So this 1 by xy into 1 minus y square. Here the term we cannot split as two terms, and the term cannot come to the Bernoulli form or linear form. So here rewrite that one as dy by dx from that equation. This is the value of dy by dx. Then what is the value of dx by dy? Dx by dy is equal xy into 1 minus y square. It will be possible to split this. So that implies dx by dy is equal, multiply this one inside, xy minus xy into y square, xy. That implies here dependent variable is dx, independent variable is y. So bring this xy into this side, dx by dy minus y into x is equal minus y cube into x. Because of that, I have written in the form of standard form. What is the standard form for linear in y? dy by dx plus dx into y is equal to q. At that place, y is dependent variable, x is independent variable. But here, x is independent variable, y is independent variable. X is dependent, y is independent. So I don't want x here. Because of that, here I want a function of independent variable. So divide this equation, divide with x. Then what is this? Solve xy into 1 plus xy square dy by dx is equal to 1. We are converting this equation into the first Bernoulli form or linear form. So say this. Say this. xy into 1 plus xy square dy by dx is equal to 1. So from this, calculate the value of dx by dy, which is equal to this dy by dx comes to the side, that becomes dx by dy is equal xy into 1 plus xy square. That implies dx by dy is equal, multiply this one inside, xy plus x square y cube. Bring this xy into the left hand side, dx by dy. Xy can be written as y into x minus y into x, which is equal, this one can be written as y cube into x square. Because of why I written that? Because of that, here x is the dependent variable, y is the independent variable. Here I want y function, I don't want the dependent variable x. That's why I written in this form. So I don't want x square here. So divide total equation with x square. Then this equation divide with x square. Then what is this equation? 1 by x square dx by dy minus y into x by x square, which is equal y cube into x square by x square. X square getting cancelled, x getting cancelled. Then this equation is x power minus 2 dx by dy minus y into 1 by x is equal to y cube. So here we are using a substitution. The coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of y? 1 by x. Use this one as substitution. Put 1 by x is equal to z. What is the dependent variable? Y. With respect to y, make integration. 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. Again x derivative dx by dy. Z derivative dz by dy. Use these two values in this equation. So before this, here this one can be written as minus x power minus 2 dx by dy is equal dz by dy. Here I have the value x power minus 2 into dx by dy. So multiply this one with minus, then this one x power minus 2 dx by dy is equal minus dz by dy. So substitute those two values, this value and this value in this one. X power minus 2 into dx by dy value is minus dz by dy minus 1 by x value z is equal to y cube. Multiply throughout the equation with minus, because of that the coefficient should be 1. So this equation changes as dz by dy plus y into z is equal, so this one is minus. Because of that I multiplied, sorry, so multiply with minus dz by dy plus p into yz is equal minus y. So this is the equation. Clearly this is a linear equation in z, linear in z. What is the dependent variable? Z. What is the independent variable? Y. So for this equation we are writing the general solution. So compare with standard form dz by dy plus p into z is equal to q. What is the value of p and what is the value of q? See this previous slide. See this z coefficient y, this is p, this is q. So p is equal to y, q is equal to minus y. P is equal to y, q is equal minus y. After that calculate integrating factor. Formula e power integral p, independent variable is y, p dy, e power integral p value y integration is y square by 2. So integrating factor is e power y square by 2. Now write the general solution. What is the general solution formula? Dependent variable z into integrating factor is equal integral q into integrating factor into independent variable. What is the independent variable? Y plus 6. Z. What is the value of z? 1 by x. Integrating factor e power y square by 2, which is equal q. What is the value of q? Minus y cube. Integrating factor e power y square by 2 dy plus, which is equal, right, minus outside, e power y square by 2. For our convenient purpose, y cube I am writing as y square into y dy plus c. For integration purpose I written y cube as y square into y. Now take this one as t. Put y square by 2 as t. Y square is equal 2t. Derivative 2y into dy is equal 2 dt. 2 getting cancelled. Y dy is equal dt. Use these two substitutions in this integral. Minus integral e power t into t. Y dy value dt. Y square value is 2t dt plus c. Write this t 2 outside. Minus 2 e power t into t dt plus c. Here this is in the form of integral e power x into f of x dx. What is the formula of e power x into f of x? E power x into f of x minus f dash x plus f double dash x and so on up to constant value. This is the formula. Use that formula here. Minus 2 into e power t into function value t, derivative of t 1, constant derivative 0 plus c. Left hand side value is 1 by x into e power y square by 2. That implies 1 by x into e power y square by 2 is equal minus 2 into e power t. What is the value of t? Y square by 2. T value y square by 2 minus 1 plus constant. This is the general solution of the given equation. So totally in the terms of x and y. So our given problem is also in terms of x and y. This is called general solution of the problem. Now we are going through the one more problem. solve dy by dx plus x into sine 2y is equal x cube cos square y. Here y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable. Right side I want only independent variable function, but our value cos square y is here. So divide total equation with cos square y. Divide with the cos square y. Then what is this equation? 1 by cos square y into dy by dx plus x into sin 2y by cos square y, which is equal x cube into cos square y by cos square. Cos square y getting cancelled. 1 by cos square can be written as secant square y dy by dx plus x into sin 2y. What is the value of sin 2y? Sin 2y formula is 2 sin y cos y. Cos square can be written as cos y into cos y, which is equal to x cube. Cos getting cancelled. Secant square y dy by dx plus 2x into sin by cos can be written as tan y is equal to x. Now take the substitution, this function, independent variable function as z, coefficient as z. So put tan y is equal to z. Tan y derivative is what? With respect to x, make integration. Tan derivative with respect to x, make derivative of this one. Tan derivative secant square y into again dy by dx, which is equal to z derivative dz by dx. Substitute these two values above in the above equation. Substitute these two in this equation. Secant square y into dy by dx value is dz by dx plus 2x into tan y z is equal to x cube. So it is in the standard form. What is the standard form? dz by dx plus pz is equal to q. So compare this equation with this. Then what is the value of p? 2x, q, x cube. Now evaluate the integrating factor. What is the integrating factor formula? E power integral p dx. E power integral p value 2x dx. E power 2 into integral x dx. E power 2 into x integration x square by 2. 2 getting cancelled. So e power x square is the integrating factor. Now we are writing general solution. What is the general solution formula? Dependent variable is z. Z into integrating factor is equal integral q into integrating factor into independent variable is x plus z. Z. What is the value of z? Tan y into integrating factor is equal integral q value. What is the value of q? X cube. Substitute that one here. X cube into e power x square dx plus. For our convenient purpose, I am writing e power x square as it is. X cube can be written as x square into x dx plus c. Now take this x square as t. So put x square is equal to t. 2x dx is equal to dt. X dx is equal dt by 2. Substitute these values in that. Then this one e power x square value t. X square is t. X dx is equal dt by 2 plus constant, which is equal 1 by 2 integral e power t dt plus c. Already I said the formula of this one. Integral e power x f of x dx is equal e power x into f of x minus f dash x plus f double dash x and so on. So use this formula. Then this one is 1 by 2 into e power t minus t derivative 1 plus left hand side is tan y into integrating factor value is what? E power x square. So tan y into e power x square. So tan y into e power x square is equal 1 by 2 into e power t value x square minus 1 plus constant. This is the general solution of the given equation. Like this, we are calculating